Hi, I'm Jamie, the Worcestershire cabinet maker. Today I've got to get on with some work on my shed. The roof's looking a little bit sad, it needs some refelting. There's a crack in one of the panes of glass, and I'll give you an introduction to it, because with these times now, with fuel prices and the way the economy is, I will try and spend more time in my shed doing work from home instead of the workshop, which will save fuel. Makes sense to do some small videos from this little shed. It's only 8x6, but do you want to have a look? Let's have a look. Right, so here you go. This is my little shed, and it's small but insulated, so yeah, got some plans with this shed. Anyhow, today we're going to get on with the roof on the outside. There's a bit of a leak going on down there, and up there there's a tree rubbing against it. Let's go and have a look. See if I can fix that bit of glass. But I was just saying to Lucy, I think it would be really good to actually take this glass out and put a double glazed panel in there. And anyhow, I've got roofing felt, I've got some tools and bits and pieces. Let's get this shed sorted. So this is the problem. That's where it's just worn away. It's really quite dry actually. So I don't think anything's got in there. But look how it's... Anyhow, I've taken the branch off. Hello. Hello. Lulu's helping me today, so I'm just taking these strips off from around the outside. Right, so that's the top corner near the tree. I'm going to be tidying this up and up and down a bit, but we'll get this covered now. Huge roll. $18. 18 inches, there we go. Like an old Dublin old dodder. Dodder. How's that? I'm just evening out. Are you filming?
Yeah, just for fun.
Just for fun. I'm just evening out the nails, so I know I've got enough.
Lovely.
There you go. I think that'll work my way that way. I'm just going to pull this around the corner like that. But I'm also going to drop it a bit lower than the roofing felt. Pull the roofing felt over a bit and then drive the screw in the felt's nice and tight. That's pretty good. Don't worry about the top, I can move for that. Just do the bottom. Ooh.
Go.
Because I'll cut that bit out, you see.
Okay.
Go.
Go.
I've got to do that again now. 'Cause it's a-
I pressed go. Go. Said it's hard to find the right angle.
Oh, okay. Well, come.
No, here's fine.
Is it? It's not film.
Yeah.
Just got a nice folded corner here. So that's good. So I'm going to get that screw in first. Nice. Nice. A few spare screws. Just going to trim this off. That's this end done. Right. Fabulous Iroko splinter. So there it is. It's Iroko, so it's got to come out. Nice neat corners. I'm okay with this because it's a really oily timber, Iroko is. So screws every 13 inches or so, and folded my corner over there as well. So that's looking pretty good. So for now the roof's done. I need a new strip across the top there, but I'm going to now focus on this because this is one of the reasons my Japanese store was rusty, because of that piece of glass. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clean it all up, and I'm going to glue that back in, and then I'm going to get some prices for how much it'll cost for one big piece of glass all the way across here. So let's get this done. So there you go, I've put some silicone around it, cleaned it all up, put some silicone around it, and that will do as a temporary fix. That will stop anything getting in there, rain and bugs and all sorts. So that's good. Let's go inside. So there you go. You can see it looks pretty good. I'm quite pleased with that. That'll do for now. So I'll measure it up and I'll find out how much it's going to cost for a new window. That'll be great. So I'm so glad we did it yesterday. I looked at the weather for yesterday. That's why I was out at flipping 6 o'clock yesterday morning sorting the timber out for the strips there and the bottom strip, and I haven't got one for there yet. I'll sort that out. So I'm so glad I sorted that yesterday, because today it's chucking it down. The weather was great yesterday. We got it all done. I've just called about a price for the window, and it's not bad. It's not bad. Anyhow, it's not bad. It's worth doing. It is worth doing. I've got some people not far from me who can do me a good price on it, so I'm going to go with that. And then I'm going to go with this shutter type thing over the front for security, but also to keep some of the light out for when I'm filming in there. So yeah, if you can support me, that's great. I'll get on with things like this. They help make these videos. These videos take time to do. They're time out of working. So, but it's something I really want to pursue. I do enjoy doing them. I do like sharing them, and the feedback has been fantastic. So I can't thank you enough. So if you supported me, however, through Patreon, through PayPal, you haven't done Patreon yet because I can't get it working. Through Buy Me a Coffee, you support me through Buy Me a Coffee, or anyway. But this is going to be a nice little workshop, and be a good. There's some good things going to happen in there. So it'd be great for you guys to see what I'm doing, what I'll be able to do from home. Rather than the workshop. So I'll keep some of this. It'll all be hand tools. It won't be machines and things. It'll all be hand tool woodworking, or going through planes and things. So I really fancy the idea of doing plane reviews or plane restoration from this little workshop. I think it'd be a great thing to do, and just shows that anybody can do it really. If you have a go, and you're not just sort of sticking to the idea that you want to use this as an income, because it's not going to be an income. This is just going to be a bit on the side. This will never. I've looked at the figures over the last few months, and this will never be like an income. So hey, thank you for the support, really appreciate it, and I'll catch up with you guys soon. Cheers. Oh, like and subscribe and share and all the other stuff, and tell your friends, and all of that makes it really brilliant. So thanks, see you again.